Thinking about flying Delta One? Here's what you can expect. Delta's flagship business class offers lie flat beds, plush bedding, and on many aircraft, private suites with sliding doors. You'll enjoy chef curated multi course meals, premium wines, amenity kits, and attentive service. On the ground, Delta One includes priority check in, security, boarding, and access to Sky Clubs. And at select airports, the elevated Delta One lounges with full dining and showers. Entertainment comes with large personal screens, noise cancelling headphones, and Wi Fi so you can work or unwind your way across the Atlantic. But it's not all perfect. Experiences can vary depending on the aircraft. Some lounges get super crowded, and even in the suites, foot space can feel tight. Wi Fi also isn't always reliable. Still, if you want to appear and reach relaxed on long haul flights like Atlanta to Paris, Delta One's comfort, privacy, and services are great to enjoy.